Windows 11 update for September 2023 is out with Copilot, and these tips and tricks will help you get the most out of the chatbot experience. Starting with the Windows 11 update for September 2023 coming soon, Microsoft made available the first preview of the Copilot feature, and in this guide, you will learn the best tips and tricks to get the most out of the chatbot. However, Copilot is only helpful if you know how to leverage its capabilities, since the flyout panel only offers a search box with minimal help. In this guide, you will learn different tips and tricks to make the best out of the experience, from quickly invoking the chatbot with a simple keyboard shortcut to asking questions with voice, performing different actions, changing settings, restart the AI chatbot, to disable the feature on Windows 11 completely. 3. Change system settings on Windows 11. Since Copilot is basically Bing Chat with a deeper integration on Windows 11, it's possible to perform additional tasks, such as changing system settings. Although you cannot ask the chatbot to edit the registry or change the policies in the Group Policy Editor, you can perform basic tasks. To change system settings on Windows 11 with Copilot, use these steps. Click the Copilot Windows key +C button on the taskbar. Compose a prompt to change settings and press Enter. For example, turn on Bluetooth, or enable dark mode. Copilot change system settings. Click the Yes button, if applicable. You can also ask to enable, disable, or modify other settings, and if the AI can't perform the action, it'll open the Settings app on the page that includes the settings you want to update.